you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button. For notification of new video, hit the bell. To show you guys how to make a dough, like play dough, so kids can play with it and they don't eat. So it is easy to make. So we need for that 1 cup flour, half cup salt, 2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, oil, 1 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of the food coloring, and 2 tablespoon of oil, and 1 spatula and measuring cup. And I'm going to mix this all ingredient into the bowl. So combine the all dry ingredients and mix it. So this is all combined in a saucepan or any pot. Take 1 cup of water, then our oil measurement, and 1 teaspoon of food coloring, and it is we need to stir, and then I on the gas for on a medium heat, and then gradually we need to add our flour in it. And stir regularly, constantly. So now I'm going to add flour a little bit, and then I'm going to mix it. Again, I'm slowly adding more flour, half of our oil, and then mix it slowly. So lump make it, then one more time whatever is remaining and add it here. Okay. Mix it until make a dough. When after mixing, so my dough is ready. So you can see how thick dough is made. Now I'm going to off my gas. So I just did it, and then I'm going to take this one on one smooth surface. You can have a line with a parchment paper. I'm going to use one plastic thing. Now dough is ready, and I'm going to knead this dough, and then let's see how it's really smooth. So something is remaining there, like any lumps, and it is still hot. So let it cool down. And when it cool down, I'm going to store this into the container. And you can store this dough at least 15 to 20 days in a container in a fridge. So my nice, smooth, nice non-sticky dough is ready, guys. So you can make this dough and let it cool down little bit, and then I'm going to cover with the lid and store in a fridge. So please make this dough, and give me a comment in a description box. If you like it, just like the video, and